Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door handle in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door handle. The refrigerator door handle allows you to easily open and close the refrigerator door. The refrigerator door handle should be replaced if it's broken or missing. We will start with removing the screw cover. Pry it out with a flathead screwdriver. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the bottom handle screw. Open the refrigerator door and take out the two top door screws. Remove the old door handle. This is the old refrigerator door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new refrigerator door handle on. Match the holes and install two mounting Phillips screws at the top. Keep them just a bit loose. Install the front Phillips screw. Install the screw cover and tie up the top screws. Close the door and plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.